how are you? Welcome back to another video. So guys, my name is Mashik and my ID name is Bar that you all know. Yes, so let's start. So guys, today's our new topic, how birds fly. So guys, please like my channel and subscribe. Guys, मैं इतनी मेहनत से बनाता हूँ. So let's start. How birds fly. Birds are masters of the air. Other animals can fly, but none can match the sheer speed, agility and endurance of birds, qualities that have been refined by millions of years of evolution. Birds can fly faster, higher and further than any other animal. Many fly vast distance around the world every year, and a common swift may stay in the air for years on end without landing. Once birds have been seen flying high over the summit of Mountain Everest, the highest peak on earth. These feats are possible because a bird is highly specialized for flight. From its feathers to its bones, virtually every part of a bird's body is modified to either permit flight or save weight and make flying easier. So inside the bird, how birds fly. Okay. So let's start the body parts. Flight feathers. The largest wing feathers extend from the back of each wing and are called primary flight feathers. They provide most of the power for flight. With each wing upbeat, the feathers twist to allow air through, then flip back to the downbeat to push against the air. Now, here like this. Birds are like this, and on their corner of the wing there is something like this. Okay, like this. So these are their feathers. Now these are like this. This is the barbulus with hooks, and here from it catches, and here hollow shaft and here barb. Okay. Now feathers. Most of a bird's feathers have stiff filaments called barbs extending from main shaft. The barb has rows of smaller barbules that hook on those of next barbule. All these barbs zip together, form a smooth continuous surface, so air blows over the feather and not through it. Perfect for forming, most birds grow a brand new set of feathers every year. They spend a lot of time looking after them to make sure they stay in shape and do their job well. Now here it is spine. Look, this is bird and here is claws. Up the claws there is a spine. Now body skeleton. The bones of the body form a strong lightweight box made up of flattened ribs linked to the keel bone and a very rigid spine. The skeleton needs to be strong to cope with the stresses of flight. Now contour feather. The bird's body is covered with small overlapping feathers. They give protection but also form a sleek, streamlined surface that allows air to flow easily over its body while in flight. Now tall feathers. A kingfisher has a very short tail feathers, but they are still useful or slowing down in flight, spread wide to act as an air brake. Now feet. The kingfisher feet are adapted for perching on twigs as it scans the water below for prey. They have long, sharp claws for a secure grip. So our topic ends over here. So bye guys. Take care. Like my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. And comment me what are your question or doubt. So that way I can make the vlog. So bye guys. Take care. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Be healthy. Be safe.